Hi, my name is Patty. I'm with It's Natural. This is just a disclaimer. This information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a licensed medical professional. The content provided is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Always consult a licensed dermatologist, healthcare provider, or qualified medical professional before making any changes to your skincare routine or health regimen, especially if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or underlying health conditions. Everyone's skin and body is unique. What works for you may not work for another person. Please do your own research and patch test products before full use. Now let's get to this video, shall we? Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to It's Natural. We're on our day 4 of our 90-day journey into real conversations about all natural lifestyle, natural skincare, natural all that goodness, right? Today we're going to talk about something you've probably heard before but maybe really never understood, right? Let's break down the five top ingredients that you should avoid and the reason why they're in everything. Number 1 is fragrance. Fragrance, why to avoid it, right? Fragrance sounds nice, but it's often mixed with 50 to 100 undisclosed chemicals linked to allergic reactions, hormone imbalance, disruption, and skin irritation. Can cause headaches, rashes, and even breakouts. Why is it in everything? Well, it sells, right? Brands want products to smell appealing and it masks the scent of harsh chemicals used in the synthetic formulas. If the label says fragrance or perfume with no breakdown, that is a red flag. So there are companies that say all natural fragrance oils and they tell you exactly the ingredients are in there and how, sometimes they go to the point to where they tell you how it's actually made. That's a good thing. So there are companies that say fragrance oils on there. If it says all natural, just, find out how it's made. Number two is parabens like menthol paraben or propyol paraben and why to avoid it. Preservatives used to prevent mold and bacteria. We don't want our skincare to have mold and bacteria in it, right? We just don't want that. But what the problem is, it mimics estrogen in our body. So if we have a estrogen overload, it causes hormone imbalances and disrupt our hormone levels and can cause other problems for us females, right? And this is found in makeup, lotion, body wash, and even deodorant. So take a look at your bottles and see, does it have parabens in it? Why is it in everything? Because it's cheap and it's effective and it has a long shelf life. It's been used for decades, but it doesn't make them safe. Now, the larger companies are being held accountable for that. Look for paraben free labels or choose products with natural preservatives like rosemary extract. Now, if you see on the shelf vitamin E, stay clear of that because that is synthetic made. It is chemically synthetic made. You want an all natural base vitamin E oil, you go to your grocery store, go down the baking aisle, go down to where there's all the oils and find yourself some sunflower oil. That is the highest vitamin E oil that you can get. It's higher than the synthetic. So if you go to the store and you're going to the beauty aisle and it says vitamin E oil, oh, I need that. Bam, I will get that. No, that is synthetic. Do not do that. Get yourself some sunflower oil or meadow foam oil. Okay, those are the two top highest all natural vitamin E oils. And then phthalates, often hidden in fragrance. That's number 3. Why to avoid it? It also causes hormone disruption. It's linked to reproductive issues and asthma, and it's not always labeled, often hidden in fragrance. Why is it everything? Well, it's used to make fragrances stick around longer, so it helps formulas spread smoother. The problem is it's hard to detect, so avoiding fragrance, the word fragrance, can help reduce your exposure. Now, number 4 is sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, and why to avoid it. It's what makes your cleanser or shampoo foam. Don't you like that? Ooh, I do love a good foam. It can strip natural oils, damages your skin barrier, leads to dryness, irritation, and even eczema and skin sensitivity. I experience this. That's why I do not use shampoos anymore at all. And I do make my own soap, bars of soap, and they are so luxurious and lathery. And I love that. And I know I'm getting the lather and the sudsiness from an all natural ingredient. And why isn't everything? Because obviously we've been trained through the media, through marketing techniques, that we think lather means clean. We see the shampoo, people washing their hair in the commercials, and it's all lathery, so we think it's clean and we're clean, but it's not. It's super cheap and widely available, and that's why it's in everything. So switch to something that is so I can't even say it, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate free, and your body will thank you for it. And number 5, the last one, number 5, is mineral oil, also known as baby oil, petroleum. It's that V word. You know what I'm talking about. Why to avoid these? Derived from petroleum, it's like gas and oil. But what is this from? It's from sheep sweat. So you're actually putting sheep sweat on your body, and it's just disgusting, isn't it? Creates a seal on the skin, but it doesn't nourish your skin. What I use petroleum for, if you live on the East Coast and it's in the winter time, you put it on your door jambs, on your door and your locks, around your car door jamb, and it prevents any frozen door syndrome, when you're going out and it gets cold and then it rains and then it freezes and it goes through all these temperature changes. Your door will not stick closed. Petroleum mineral oil can clog your pores and it can trap the bacteria. So it's not very good for your face. Why isn't everything? It's because it's very cheap, it's odorless, and it's shelf stable. I break out. I can't have it anywhere near my face. I will be broken out for days. It's crazy. It does create a smooth feeling. So, what should you look for? You should look for plant-based oils like jojoba, argan, or grapeseed oil instead. So now that you know what to look for, I want to encourage you to start reading your labels, okay? These ingredients are everywhere, but now that you're informed, you don't have to fall for it. Drop in the comment below. Have you found these in your skincare? What ingredient shocked you the most? I was shocked to find SLS, the sodium lauryl sulfate, in some of my products. Stay tuned tomorrow because we're going to be talking about something many people don't know about: carcinogenic versus non carcinogenic products, and why that really matters for your pores and breakouts. Until next time, take care, flip those bottles over, and remember, it's not just skincare, it's natural. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And don't forget to check the description down below because there's a special gift for you. A ebook download called Naturally You, a beginner's guide to living an all natural lifestyle, just for you. So make sure you get your copy down below. See you next time.